Thank you, Michelle. Well, as more people head outdoors this summer, health officials are warning about a tiny pest with big potential consequences. A new report shows emergency room visits for tick bites are rising nationwide. So how concerned are people here in Kern County? Well, Eyewitness News reporter Jake Schreiner went to a popular hiking spot to find out.
Well, the CDC is reporting that ER visits for tick bites are on the rise around the country. And with summer right around the corner, I wanted to know if locals around Kern County are aware of the risks that ticks pose, and if they know how to protect themselves from these critters if they plan on hanging out outdoors this summer. A CDC report from April says that in all regions except the south central United States, weekly rates of ER visits for tick bites are the highest for this time of the year since 2017.
Ticks are little bugs that live out in the community. There are ticks throughout the state of California. They typically live in sort of these grassy, wooded areas.
Kim Hernandez with the Kern County Public Health gave me more info on the dangers of ticks.
Ticks can spread a number of diseases. The most well-known one is Lyme disease, so a lot of people have heard of it. But there are also a number of spotted fevers that have a variety of names, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, things like that, that are transmitted by ticks.
She also offered up some tips to prevent tick bites.
It's important to consider treating your clothing and your gear with products that will repel ticks. So those typical types of bug sprays to check to make sure that ticks are also on that list of things that it's going to repel.
She also says it's important to hot wash gear and clothing.
If you wash it on a cold cycle, that's not going to kill a tick.
So I headed to Win Wolves to find out how hikers prevent ticks when out on the trail.
I make sure I'm wearing an insect repellent at least on my hands and the arms and the back of my neck, and long pants and long sleeves usually.
And Kim added that some tick-borne diseases can be treated with antibiotics, so if you have a tick bite, it's important to go see a healthcare professional to help narrow down a diagnosis. Reporting from Win Wolves Preserve, Jake Schreiner, Eyewitness News.